Come with me while we meal prep for the week. Don't forget to follow me on all social media sites. That's Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, here on YouTube. Subscribe to all my platforms. You won't be disappointed. If you're new to my channel, I am a fitness, lifestyle, and body positivity coach. I teach my plus size community how to love their body and take care of themselves in order for their body to function properly. It's such a stigma on the plus size community due to our weight and people assuming that we aren't healthy or we aren't in shape, and that is far from the truth. I'm a 250-pound woman and I love working out. I enjoy taking care of my body, eating the proper things to allow my body to function. And that's what I teach women how to do and maneuver when it comes to what they eat, taking care of themselves and feeling great. One of my biggest talking points in being a lifestyle coach is self-care, learning to take the proper steps to take care of your body inside and out. And one of those steps is properly eating right. Putting the right things in your body to make sure it's able to function. Make sure the older you get, the more you can move and maneuver in life and get the things you want to accomplish done. And that's all about taking that first step. That first step in knowing that you deserve a better lifestyle for yourself. Never accept where you are if you know you can be better. I've been on my journey for about 9.5 years now, and it has been a roller coaster to say the least. But I wouldn't change it for the world. I've learned some things, I've grown, I've accepted some things about me that I never knew, that eating correctly and trying to meal prep and eating certain things like the fabulous trainers you see on Instagram does not work for everybody. Their lifestyle does not work for me. So the important part is finding what works for you, magnifying that, and allowing it to take over your life in a concept where it changes you for the best. I started to follow plus size trainers, plus size vloggers when it comes to vegan or healthier eating, because that's the avenue I'm in. I'm not trying to per se lose weight. I'm trying to maintain my weight and still continue on a healthy path. So that lifestyle comes with ups and downs, trials and tribulations like anything else. But I can guarantee you that I'm never going to give up on myself. And that's the best part about this journey. It's you versus you, nobody else. So you have to decide that you want better for yourself in order to receive better and do better for yourself. You should always want to look good and feel good. I don't care what people say, looks doesn't matter, looks matter. Looking good and feeling good about yourself makes your confidence level skyrocket above no other feeling in this world. So that's why I'm big on self-care, because once you're whole and you love yourself, you know who you are, you're taking the proper steps to take care of yourself, that's the best version of yourself, and everybody deserves that. So that's what I teach women, to offer up the best version of yourself. Fitness-wise, health-wise, mentality, we need the best version of you in order to understand the purpose that you have for this world. You can't give your best self and live in your purpose if you don't know who you are, if you're not taking the proper steps to take care of yourself, love up on yourself, and show the world who you are, because that's all we want. We want the greatness that is you. So are you ready to start your own self-care journey? Are you ready to be the best version of yourself? If so, there's a link down below in the description for you to book your call with me as your lifestyle coach to help you along your journey to be the best version of yourself. Let's start today.